PTE Help, Unlimited Repeat Sentences and Dictation, Test 8. 1. This style of footwear also became prominent in America. PTE Help, Item 2. Most consumer electronics have become based on digital technologies. PTE Help, Item 3. One characteristic of consumer electronic products is the ever-falling prices. PTE Help, Item 4. Internet access was once rare, but has grown rapidly. Item 5. Coffee shops, shopping malls, and other venues increasingly offer wireless access.
PTE Help, Item 6. The term broadband includes a broad range of technologies. PTE Help, Item 7. The shoes themselves are made of flexible compounds. PTE Help, Item 8. The credits appearing at the beginning of a film are called titles. PTE Help, Item 9. Canadian English contains major elements of both British English and American English. PTE Help, Item 10. Several political terms are more in use in Canada than elsewhere.
PTE Help, Item 11. In the 21st century, the use of product placement on television has grown. PTE Help, Item 12. Digital editing technology is also being used to tailor product placement. PTE Help, Item 13. Recognizable brand names appeared in the early movies. PTE Help, Item 14. Many fast-moving consumer goods have a short shelf life.
PTE Help, Item 15. Logistics and distribution systems often require secondary packaging.
PTE Help, Item 16. This definition does not explain how the process often works in retailing. PTE Help, Item 17. It is a systematic and disciplined approach to managing a product category. PTE Help, Item 18. Most modern retailers typically make a variety of strategic level decisions. PTE Help, Item 19. Retailing support services may also include the provision of credit.
Strip malls typically have large parking lots in front. PTE Help, Item 21. Meanwhile, the global population is older than ever before. PTE Help, Item 22. Instead, a substantial number of these natural marvels may have to work. PTE Help, Item 23. The answer to the first question may surprise you. PTE Help, Item 24. Of course, some jobs are just too good to give up.
PTE Help, Item 25. We don't have a compulsory retirement age anymore in the UK.
PTE Help, Item 26. They might have more wrinkles than a naked mole rat. PTE Help, Item 27. Elderly workers are likely to be experts in their field. PTE Help, Item 28. They've often built up strong customer bases over the years. PTE Help, Item 29. The answer is more complicated than it might seem. PTE Help, Item 30. Luckily for them, it has a distinctively shaped cup.
PTE Help, Item 31. Many organizations and individuals are pushing for more representation. PTE Help, Item 32. If you like this story, sign up for the weekly newsletter. PTE Help, Item 33. We are constantly checking them and trying to empty the bucket. PTE Help, Item 34. Email is not really designed for quick-fire conversation. PTE Help, Item 35. This is known as the problem of message replication.
PTE Help, Item 36. Many people still don't trust decisions agreed virtually. PTE Help, Item 37. This overlap is very time-consuming and potentially confusing. PTE Help, Item 38. Email is not a great place for formal decision-making. PTE Help, Item 39. One simple and effective tip is to use the search function. PTE Help, Item 40. Kindly reply to everything in the email you receive.
PTE Help, Item 41. It is a myth that we have to be in touch minute by minute. PTE Help, Item 42. You might think that writing something twice is a waste of effort. PTE Help, Item 43. I don't really think about how I spend my money. PTE Help, Item 44. The country has a compressed wage structure. PTE Help, Item 45. It is allowing many people to claim around 60% of their previous salary.
PTE Help, Item 46. Many experts believe that there is still a huge amount that other nations can learn. PTE Help, Item 47. Some argue that the advantages come with counterintuitive challenges. PTE Help, Item 48. There are a number of reasons for a drop in sales. PTE Help, Item 49. Ineffective management can be rooted in a number of issues.
PTE Help, Item 50. The team will also be unsuccessful in making their sales.